Oh no, I need to get to the science lab. I gotta go, old people raising me.
Before you go, remember, if you ever get superpowers, you should probably use it to do some good instead of not doing some good.
Quiet, old man. You don't know anything about my life. I don't know why they hired a teenage photographer to take pictures of all these secret lab experiments, but I sure am grateful for the work. Oh, man. The dang raven just bit me. I hope it wasn't one of those radioactive ones. Oh, great. Now I'm gonna get radiation poisoning and... Whoa, wait. I'm feeling stronger. What? Awesome! I got superpowers from that radioactive bird bite. Ah! That's pretty funny.
Get us out!
Oh my goodness, help! Those people look like they could use my help, but I'm too busy having fun with my superpowers.
Before you go, remember, if you ever get superpowers, you should probably use it to do some good instead of not doing some good.
Maybe the old man raising me with his old wife was right. So I saved a bunch of people with my sweet new superpowers and thought to myself, hey,